Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to solve this question. This question is based on the topic how to calculate the expected value and variance specifically in case of discrete random variable. So let's start with this question. According to this question we have a lot that consists of a 7 component which further contains 4 good components and 3 defective components. It means the total number of components in a lot is 7, out of which total good components are 4 and 3 defective components. Next, a quality inspector randomly selected a sample of 3 components from the lot without replacement. Means हमने 3 components select किए हैं out of 7 randomly but without replacement. Without replacement means अगर हमने पहले कोई component select किया है, let's suppose it is a good component, बाकी बचे 6 components में हम rest 2 select करेंगे. पहले component को हम वापस lot में add नहीं करेंगे. This is the meaning of without replacement. Here we need to calculate what is the expected number of good component in a sample space. अब हमारा क्वेश्चन का टारगेट है हमें सिर्फ देखना है गुड कंपोनेंट की क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है सेलेक्ट होने की. बिफोर दैट वी नीड टू नो हाउ मेनी कंपोनेंट्स वी आर सेलेक्टिंग. सो वी आर सेलेक्टिंग 3 कंपोनेंट्स विदाउट रिप्लेसमेंट. अब इन 3 कंपोनेंट सेलेक्टेड में से क्या पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो गुड कंपोनेंट आएंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी विल अज्यूम देयर इज अ रैंडम वेरिएबल x that defines the number of good component in a sample space. अब 3 components में क्या possibility है that is a good component? हो सकता है उन तीनों में से कोई भी good component ना हो. It means all are defective piece, or we have only one good component, or maybe 2 good components are selected, or maybe all are good component. It means total possible values for this random variable x is 4, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now this is the countable values. It means this is a discrete random variable. Now we need to calculate what is the corresponding probability for each random value. So for that, let's understand this how we can calculate the probability. Total number of possible cases in a sample space is what? हमने 7 में से 3 components select किए हैं. It means we can use the combination to evaluate that count. That is, out of 7 we have chosen 3 components. Now we are focusing on the good component. So 4 में से let's suppose हमने x good component select कर लिए. x क्या हो सकता है? It can be 0, 1, 2 और 3 but cannot be 4 because हमने सिर्फ 3 कंपोनेंट्स ही सेलेक्ट किए हैं. लेट्स सपोज हमारे पास 0 गुड कंपोनेंट आए. उस केस में हमारे पास डिफेक्टिव कंपोनेंट्स मिलेंगे. सो आउट ऑफ 3 वी आर गेटिंग हाउ मेनी केसेस? दैट इज 3 minus x. You can check it. If we are selecting 0 good component, you will get 3 defective piece. And if we are getting only one component as a good, it means we are selecting 2 as a defective. Similarly, you can calculate for the 2 and 3. Now we will use the product rule because अगर हमने एक good component select किया तो rest 2 defective components होंगे. Both are related, they are not a different one. That's why we are using a product rule. So this is how we can calculate the probability for the value of x. Now what is the formula to calculate this? Now let's suppose we have chosen r item out of n. This is calculated as n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now let's calculate these probability. When random variable value is equal to 0, it means we are selecting 0 good component and we have selected 3 defective pieces divided by 7c3. So this is equal to what? 4c0 means 4 factorial divided by 0 factorial into 4 minus 0 factorial into here 3 factorial divided by this 3 factorial into 3 minus 3 factorial divided by 7 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 7 minus 3 factorial. Now 0 factorial is 1. This 4 factorial, that is again 1. In this case, 3 factorial is get cancelled with 3 factorial and 3 minus 3 is 0 and 0 factorial is also 1. So in numerator we have 1 divided by. Here we can write 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial and this is a 4 factorial. So 4 factorial is get cancelled with 4. 3 factorial is what? 3 into 2, that is 6. It means 3 factorial is get cancelled with 6. And we have 1 by 35 here. Similarly, calculate the probability corresponding to the random variable value as 1, 2, 3 by substituting here. And we have in this case 13 by 35. Here 18 by 35. For this, it is the 4 by 35. Now we can easily evaluate what is the expected number of good component in a sample space. यहाँ पे हमारे पास probability distribution function आ गया है, random variables की value आ गई है, so we can calculate what is the expected value of x. Formula क्या होता है discrete random variable में? That is a summation of x into corresponding probabilities. So the first random variable value is 0. So we write 0 into probability at 0 plus next random value is 1. 1 into probability at 1. Next random value is 2. 2 into probability at 2 plus next random value is 3 into probability at 3. Now plug these values here. Then simplify this, we will get 12 by 7, that is equal to 1.7. It means on an average 1.7 good components are selected. Now let's calculate the variance of x. How we can calculate that? That is calculated as expected value of x square minus expected value of x whole square. So for this we need to calculate what is the expected value of x square. तो ये कैसे calculate करते हैं? We are going to use the same formula. Rather than x, it becomes x square. But here we write only probabilities of x. So probability of x and x square will be same. So that's why we write probability of x here. So here 0 into probability at 0 plus 1 square into probability at 1 plus 2 square into probability at 2 plus 3 square into probability at 3. Plug the values of probabilities and you will get expected value of x square as 24 by 7. Now plug these values here to calculate the variance. So expected value of x square we are getting as a 24 by 7 and expected value of x is 12 by 7. Then we can take its square. Simplify this. This is equal to 24 by 49. So this is how we calculate the expected value and the variance in case of discrete random variable.